Hello there, my name is Valerie White-Williams and I would like to welcome you to my channel, YouTube Success Strategies. And this is where I teach you how to succeed on YouTube. So like I said on my last video, I want to show you how you can do research on your keyword titles. Because like I said in my last video, what's really key about getting your videos found is having searchable titles, because YouTube is a search engine, and when we search for what we're looking for, we want your titles to come to it. So we want to include the most important keywords in your title so people can find your information. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into Loom and I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google to do your research. So let's get into it. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to use Google to search for your titles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I would search for a title of how to cut your children's hair. So that's a title that might be used by somebody who wants to do a tutorial of hairdressing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Google and we're going to write how to cut your child's hair. If I can spell it right, hair. There we go. All right, so we're going to go in and this is what you're going to see. Okay, so what you can see is there's a video that pops up, and what we're looking for right now is this. Look at the results. Those are 35,500,000 results. So that's really keywords now, but what I'm going to show you is you can tie different titles to and get the best one. So the other thing is we're going to scroll down here, all the way, boom. Okay, look, so there you see these other search terms that people are looking for. How to cut toddler hair, how to cut boy hair long, how do I cut my child's hair? So we're gonna do children's haircut. So this is gonna use that type, children's haircut. So this is where you can kind of do research on what works best, okay? Haircut at home. Okay, children's haircut at home. I'm a horrible speller. Guys, get it. Boom. There. And see, and we compare. Okay, so that's 9 million. So I don't remember what the other one was, but this is how you find the best keywords. You're going to do some research. Just put in potential titles, and that's what you're going to title your videos. Now, again, we're going to see some more down here. How to cut my daughter's hair. Haircut for kids. Do-it-yourself haircut. So let's just see what we have here. We're going to do do-it-yourself haircut. See what happens with that one. We're going to add those titles. Okay. See if it's better. Okay, that's less. So there's different choices. Easy haircuts. Easy haircut. Let's try that. Easy haircut. And I'll take out the DIY. See what comes up. Okay, that's big. See, notice the word easy is big. So this one has even more results. Oh, it looks like it has less. Okay, not reading it very good. My glasses. So this is the way we're going to research keywords. Now, there's another app called TubeBuddy, and I'll do a tutorial on that because I really feel like that's something it's worth the pay. It actually shows you the keywords that are ideal, but this is another way that you can actually do a little bit of research. And I just want to let you know, just because someone else has a video with the same keywords, you can still do your own version of it. Just because someone did a video doesn't mean that you can't do your version of it. And that's, people get scared off because someone already did it, but you have your own way. So if you're really determined to talk about cutting children's hair at home, then you can still do that. So I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to talk about how to cut your bangs. And I'm not a hairdresser, okay? That's not my thing. I'm a voice teacher that started doing YouTube, but I'm just going to do cutting bangs at home. Okay, so we're going to do this one. All right, 126 million views. And again, we're going to scroll down to see the bottom. And then you can see some alternate layers, how to cut your own side bangs, how to cut wispy bangs. So that's how we're going to look at it. So how to cutting bangs at home. Now I'm going to add the word easy to see what happens. Okay, so we're 126 million. What happens here? Okay, so this is less. Easy cutting bangs. Let me just play around with these. All right, so now we have 27. So it looks like the first one I tried was the best. Now the thing about doing these words, you can also add other words over it. We can have like a subtitle, but you want to put the biggest, most important ones that gets most of the results first, and then you can have like a little dash, and then you can add a subtitle to your titles. And then of course, once we have those titles, we want to have the words in the description and in the tags. So when you double up, triple up in the tags, descriptions, titles, that's how you're going to get the scoring that's going to have your videos show up on search when people search for these things. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go back to me later. All right, so I hope you found that helpful, because keyword research is really key to being successful on YouTube, because that's how people find your content. You know, beside your friends and your family, they're going to follow you anyway, but the way we grow on YouTube is being found through search. So keyword research is great. So next time I'm going to talk to you about TubeBuddy, because really it's not that expensive. They have an offer that's cheaper if you are under 1,000 subscribers. It really pays. And I'll say pretty much most of the top YouTubers use TubeBuddy. So look for that later. And I want to let you know that if you are interested in growing your channel, I have a private Facebook group called YouTube Success Strategies. And I'd love to see you there. And you can find all the information below in the description. All right, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.